Good day, YouTube. This is a quick video on what every trader should have in their chart, and that is of course the moving averages, and more than one. Typically two would be ideal. Three gets a bit messy, but it's always certainly an option there. And as you can see here, I have a couple of moving averages here. We've got the 50 moving average, which is on a simple moving average there, and then we've got the 110 moving average, which always seems to be such a helpful moving average number when you're looking at the longer time frames periods there. Also simple, not exponential, but I won't get into that for this video. Basically, it's where they cross over where you should get into it, either a buy trade or a sell trade, and that's what the moving average is all about. So it dictates momentum changes, for instance, in the market there. And this one is on the euro dollar trading there, and on the 15-minute chart, for instance, which a lot of traders like to trade. Now, for instance, we can see when it crosses over, so we can see where we should probably go short here. This isn't an optimized MMA, by the way. I've just thrown it up a minute ago, just before opening this chart, but just to illustrate a very basic point. And I like to do videos without actually looking at the chart before I do the video, just to show that it generally does or doesn't work something, for instance. So here we go. We can see, and I'll chuck in the crosshairs there. We're generally going down from this point. That is a bit of a late entry signal, obviously there. And let's just jump over to something really obvious. It's coming down here from this point as well. So the shorter the shorter moving average is moving over the longer average there. It's crossing short, which means that's an entry signal to go short, and there's an entry signal to go long there. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't work that well in sideways markets, as they call them. So you can see there's a crossover there and a crossover there, and I guess just at a brief look, you'll notice that this isn't ideal. They're just too close to each other in a sense, whereas they're really passing each other more notably in different aspects of this chart here, once, twice, three times. When it gets a bit choppy, it's not always ideal there, especially on the Euro USD. Choppy as hell, this market. Most liquid market for Forex, but I don't always recommend it for trading, but that's another story and another video there. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is a super simple and quick video on what every chart should really have, which is the moving averages there. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'd love to get a community going to have good chats and discussions on these sorts of things. So thanks again. No worries.